Congrats, your shiny new credit or debit card is here. But listen up, the real game starts after you make that first swipe or tap. I'm Naim, bringing you the Indo-Jamaican Card Safety Series, where we decode card fraud risks like no one else. Whether you're in Mumbai or Montego Bay, the traps are eerily similar.
Today, we're diving into Stage 6 of the card management flow. First transaction and early usage risks. We've already covered card issuance, approval, and understanding your welcome kit. Now let's explore how scammers exploit your excitement to use your card for the first time. Cards are most vulnerable within the first 30 days after issuance. You're still learning your PIN, settings, and bank policies. Banks often give temporary limits or pre-enabled features like tap to pay. Fraudsters know new users are less suspicious of verification calls or emails. Today, we're diving into Stage 6 of the card management flow, first transaction and early usage risks. We've already covered card issuance, approval, and understanding your welcome kit. Now, let's explore how scammers exploit your excitement to use your card for the first time.
Scam. A caller says, your card is inactive. Make a Rs10 or J$100 test payment.
Trick. They capture your OTP and reverse engineer your credentials. Prevention. Never activate cards through random calls. Use bank apps or ATMs only. In India, card skimming devices are often installed at high-traffic ATMs. In Jamaica, tap-to-pay fraud is a bigger issue because limits allow fast J$5,000, $3,000 transactions.
Prevention. Cover your hand when entering PIN. Use NFC features only when needed. Choose well-lit bank-owned ATMs.
Both Indian and Jamaican merchants sometimes auto-enroll users in standing instructions. Prevention. Check mandates or standing instructions immediately after your first online payment. Temptation to use EMI right after getting a new card can lead to high-interest traps. In Jamaica, EMI isn't common. Instead, overdraft features are pushed. Prevention. Pay full until you understand all charges. Banks offer welcome cashback reward points that trigger only if you spend big in your first month. Prevention. Don't overspend to earn back pennies. India. Digital wallet phishing is skyrocketing. Jamaica. Card not present CNP. Fraud is growing in e-commerce. Lesson. Always set real-time transaction alerts. Enable geo-locking. Restrict card to your country unless traveling. Turn on per-transaction SMS email alerts. Start with small test transactions. Use your bank's official app for everything.
Memorize CVV and PIN. Don't store in your phone's gallery. So far in this Indo-Jamaican series, we've gone from card approval to welcome kits, and now to your very first transaction. This is where fraudsters love to strike, so your alertness is your armor.